some saffron sticks, half teaspoon ghee, you can take butter, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon green moog, and this is half cup of rice flour, and this is for half cup of rice flour you can take 1 cup of water. Now for the filling of the momo, 1/4 cup chana dal, 1/4 cup moong dal, 2 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon tur dal, 1/4 cup dry shredded coconut, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup ghee, you can take melted butter too, and this is 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Now this is washed dal. I am putting in this bowl. Glass or 2 glass of water to soak it. This 1 cup of water. I am adding ghee and pinch of salt and this saffron. Let it boil. Till now we will take mortar and pestle to crush this moong dal. I crushed little bit. We will add into this water. Let it boil. Put lid for 1 minute to cook this moong dal. We will add vanilla essence. We will add this rice flour. It's hot, so handle it carefully, and we are going to knead it for 1 or 2 minutes. After 6 hours, these lentils are double in size. So we will put in a mixie jar. Now we grind it. You can see I did not make a fine paste. This is just crushed lentils, ghee. Now add this crushed dal. Let it cook for around 20 minutes with continuous stirring so it avoid burning at bottom. So after 20 minutes we will add sugar, then coconut powder, Now add cocoa powder and then a little bit milk if it is too dry. After 15 minutes on medium heat,